Okay, so we're taking a look at these videos here, and it is funky just like you said it was. If you try to go in here and just choose a date, and then go in and change it out to 2010, which is what I was thinking I would do, and click out of it, doesn't work. If I go in here and I click 2010 and I hit enter and go through those, then it still switches back over to 2018. Doesn't do what it's supposed to do. There are a couple of ways around this that I see right now. If you type in the entire date and just do it manually, then it does work. And you have to do everything though, the time and everything like that, and the AM even. And then you hit enter and it saves it, and now it's actually at that right time. You can also just paste in 2010/10. There has to be a slash month of some kind there, and hit enter, and then it will get it right doing it that way as well. Any changes that you make after that time, if you go through and do the normal clicking process, then they work okay. But if you try to go in and just change this, like let's say we wanted to change it back to 2018, then it doesn't like it and it switches it back to 2010. I don't know why it's doing that, of course, but it's a mistake on their part that's not really working quite right. But you can get around it those ways, either by typing out the entire thing or by pasting in the 2010/10 or whatever it is that your date's going to be for the projects you're working on right then. You can also, of course, go through and actually just click through to each place that you want to go, and that will work as well. But that would be a lot of clicking to do on every single video, and that's not reasonable, of course. So I'm going to go and leave this blank for right now, so that then you can set it to whatever the real dates are. But that should be able to fix that problem, kind of, for you, and it's not quite as smooth as what it ought to be, but I think it ought to be able to work for your purposes right now.